A wise man hears one word and understands two. Your words start to lose value when your actions don't match. Happiness is found when you stop comparing yourself to other people. If you can stay positive in a negative situation, you win. Every end is a new beginning. A wise person knows there's something to learn from everyone. If you really want to change the world, go home and love your family. There is no elevator to success. You have to take the stairs. Words are like keys. If you choose them right, they can open any heart and shut any mouth. Slow progress is better than no progress. Stay positive and don't give up. Life is full of ups and downs. Without a down-up means nothing. Burn your ego before it burns you. Desire changes nothing. Decision changes something. But determination changes everything. Luck is not in your hands, but decision is in your hand. Your decision can make luck, but luck can't make your decision, so always trust yourself. The real richness is when you are so expensive that no one can buy your character. If you can't find what's good in others, try to find what's wrong with you.